The typical use cases of the VIO1008 are voltage measurements, where the signals can come from an automotive ECU, an avionic LRU, a medtech device, or globally speaking from any voltage source on any hardware. It is delivered with a tool-free 32-pin connector that plugs into the front socket. The card offers 8 channels for differential voltages. 3 preset ranges for optimum resolution are available. The incoming signals are sampled by 8 dedicated 16-bit AD converters running at 200 kilosamples per second. And finally, there's an LED that indicates the status of the card. To run a measurement, we connect our device under test to the VIO1008. A host PC running CANoe, CANape or vMeasure controls the measurement. Before we start a measurement, we can pre-select a signal averaging time. During the measurement, we can select the voltage range. The signals from the device under test are digitized and averaged. Finally, the sampled signals are sent to the host PC to be evaluated. This continues until we stop the measurement. Sounds easy? It is. And if you are interested in how to add the VIO1008 to your VIO system using CANoe, CANape or vMeasure, please check out the corresponding videos in our playlist. Thank you for watching.